I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you are looking to unlink a bank account from your Capital One profile, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Unlink link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile option in the menu. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select linked accounts. In the account settings, look for a section labeled linked accounts or bank accounts. Click on this to see all the accounts currently linked to your Capital One profile. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. Find the bank account you wish to unlink and select it. There should be an option to unlink or remove the account. Click this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to unlink the account. Confirm your choice to finalize the process. Be aware that this action may take a few moments to process. If you accidentally unlink the wrong account, you can always add it back by following similar steps. Good luck, and I hope this helps you manage your accounts more easily.